Hi all, this is Paul Betty, Research and Instruction Services Librarian at Regis University. This is a short demonstration of the LumenPlus Discovery Search tool. LumenPlus allows you to search most of the library's article and journal databases. It's a great place to start for most topics. And in searching, we'll discover all the different types of sources that you can access through the results. So let's start with a really simple search for mental health, something that we're interested in and want to explore as a topic. A search for mental health in LumenPlus produces millions of results. And of those results, by opening up the filters menu, we can scroll down and see the many different source types that are available to us. Newspaper articles, academic journal articles, magazine articles, books, dissertations, theses, ebooks, and more. So, clearly for this topic, we're getting too many results and we need to go ahead and focus our research on something more specific. To do that, I recommend using the advanced search. So for each block here, we can enter a concept or a theme. What I can also do is explore similar terms. And LumenPlus does a really good job with the auto-suggestion here. So mental health, or mental illness, or mental disorder, or psychiatric illness. These are all terms or phrases that I feel are relevant to my particular research interest. They are terms that I consider synonymous. Now, usually when we're talking about a research topic, there's opportunity to think about the specific population that we're interested in. So let's say I'm interested in teenagers. And once again, LumenPlus makes some recommendations, teenagers or adolescents or young adults. Again, these are all ways to describe that same population group. You'll notice that the search boxes by default are joined using the AND operator. So if I search for this topic, I'm going to get a convergence of materials that talk about mental health and teenagers. Looking at the results, we get 5 million. That's still quite a bit and still opportunity there to go a little bit more focused in our search. So let's return to the advanced search and add a third conceptual block. What about the use of drugs or substances and how that affects mental health for teenagers? So again, by simply starting with a keyword or a phrase, I can leverage the auto-suggestions from LumenPlus. Of my results, all of these are going to have some material or content related to the intersection of mental health, substance disorders, and teenagers or adolescents or young adults. Just to bring that point home a little bit more, if we change the logic, now we're looking for articles about drug abuse that either deal with teenagers or mental health, but not both. What does that do for our overall number of results? It increases them. So AND is a way in which we can structure our search to make it more specific, using OR to string together synonymous terms, or to tell the search that we're okay with one or the other in terms of our conceptual blocks. We'll expand the scope of the search. So these are things to consider as you search LumenPlus, as well as any of the library databases. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions.